Hi, I'm Luke Lenzinger, a student at Gull Lake High School taking the Computer Science and Software Engineering course. Today, I will be talking about Linux and the command line interface and some of the commands that go along with it. So our first command is ls, which lists files and directories. So you can see some of them are desktops, documents, downloads, and a few others. You can also do ls tac a for further information to show hidden files and files that start with a dot. So you can see a few more files show up here. You can also do cd to change the current directory that you're in. So if I do cd right now, it won't do anything, but if I do cd capital DOC tab over, it'll take me into documents. And then if I do pwd, it will tell me my cookie trail of where I've been and my file path. And if I do cd with nothing else behind it, it just takes me back to the start. And then our next command would be mkdir, which creates a new directory. So you do the command and then you type the name of it. So we'll just do school, I guess. So now if we do an ls, school is right next to pictures and templates right here. And we're gonna do a cd school. Get into here, we're gonna do touch to create a file inside of this directory called classes. Classes. So now if we do an ls inside of school, you'll see the file classes. We can also, now since that is an empty directory, or empty file, we can do midir classes. Oh, it's not a directory, so we actually can't do that. We'd have to do an rm for that. So we do rm class, capital C, I forgot that. And now we do an ls, that is gone. And now if we do cd to get out of school, we can do an rmdir school. And now if we do an ls, school is now gone. And now if we go into cd documents, we can do a cat to display the contents of the file, and it looks like there's nothing in here. Or no, wait. We want to do a... Hold up. So I'm just gonna go on to the next thing now. So the next command we are going to do is a who am I, which shows the current logged in user. So it's going to show my last name. You can also do ID to show what groups I'm a part of. And to add a user to the system, you do sudo add user, and let's do Sparrow for the name. Put my password in. Okay, so we'll do su to get into the root, because that did not work. Sudo add user Sparrow. I spelled user wrong, so let me up arrow and add the R. Now we can do make them a user. And this information is correct, so now we have a new user. So if we do get out of root, I gotta figure out how to get out of root real quick. Okay, so it's exit. No, it isn't. Hold up. Okay, so I just had to type it again. I don't know why it didn't work the first time. So now we can see do a getInt group to see the different users. And you can see a Sparrow down here now, because we just added that. Now to create a group to add the Sparrow to, I have to go back into root, and we could do a sudo group add. Let's just name it people. So now we have somebody, and if we do a getInt group, there should be one called people right here, yep. And to add a user to a group, we do sudo user mod tac a capital G people, and then the username is Sparrow, so he should be in there. So if we do another Ginting group, or not Ginting group, we need to go, not that, we need to type a groups Sparrow. And it says he is in the group people, which is what we just added him to. Now to delete a group, you would do sudo group del people. So if we do group Sparrow, nothing should come up since we just deleted his group that he was in. And some further information that you can find, I think I can go out of root now. So if I type in top, it displays real-time system resource usage like CPU, memory, and other processes. And to get out of this, you would type Q as in Qbert. Another command you can use is PS, which lists running processes. And you can also kill processes with the kill command, but I'm not going to do that today. There's another command, df, which shows disk space usage for different items. You can also do du to show the disk usage of files and directories. So there's all that, which is a lot. You can also do the command uptime, which shows how long the system has been running for. So mine has been up for 12 minutes, and that is just all it shows pretty much. You can also get your IP by typing IP, which shows a lot of information about your computer. And we can also ping someone, which I'm not going to do right now because it's kind of an endless ping thing that you have to shut down your VM to get out of. The next thing will be netstat, which displays network connections, routing tables, and interface statistics. It looks like I do not have access to that from my administrator. So we will do our next thing, I think that's it. So thank you for visiting and taking your time to watch my vlog on Linux command line interface. Bye.